How long it takes for silicone caulk to become water-ready depends on the product and conditions, but you can expect a short tack-free period followed by a longer full cure time. For typical 100% silicone used around sinks and tubs, tack-free or water-ready time is often 30 minutes to 1 hour for moisture-curing formulas, but full cure usually requires 24 hours to 72 hours, depending on bead thickness, temperature, and humidity. Apply caulk in a continuous, smooth bead and tool it within 5 to 10 minutes to ensure adhesion and reduce trapped air that slows cure. Work in temperatures above 50 degrees Fahrenheit and below 100 degrees Fahrenheit and aim for relative humidity above 30% because higher humidity speeds the moisture cure process while low humidity extends it. If you must expose the joint to water sooner than the full cure time, use only products that list a specific short water-ready time on the label and still rinse lightly and avoid pressure or movement for the first 24 hours. For deep joints, use backer rod to limit bead depth to about 1/4 inch so the seal cures through more evenly and faster. Thick beads cure much slower from the inside out. Always follow manufacturer instructions and wait longer when conditions are cool or dry, because premature water exposure will cause a weak or gummy seal that can wash out. Common mistakes include assuming water ready equals fully cured, which leads to joint failure. The fix is to wait the recommended full cure time before subjecting the joint to sustained water or stress. Another issue is applying too thick a bead, which traps uncured silicone and delays cure. Avoid this by using backer rod and keeping bead depth shallow and consistent. A third problem is poor surface preparation, where oils, cleaners, or loose material prevent adhesion. Clean and dry surfaces with denatured alcohol or a manufacturer-recommended cleaner and remove old caulk fully before applying new silicone. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project information that helps you choose appropriate products and timelines for tasks like silicone sealing. We host a discussion community where we share real experiences, ask specific questions, and find trusted local help for projects.